Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Bryce here. Got some packs to open. Got 4 black and white, 1 heart gold soul silver, 1 stormfront, and 1 platinum. So I think we're gonna start out with the black and white Zoroark pack first. Thinking about getting the box still, the Diamond and Pearl or Stormfront, or what was the other one I was thinking about? I can't remember, but if there's a box you guys want to see me get, just let me know, put it in the comments below. Alright, so we have an Electric Energy, Zorua, Deerling, Lillipup, Venipede, Revive, Alomomola, Energy Switch, the reverse is a Maractus, and the rare is a Swanna. Alright. Next pack, we'll do a Reshiram pack. Alright. It's weird not to have code cards. Kind of throws me off a little bit. Alright. So we have a Potion, Minccino, Pansage, Purloin, Energy Search, Dewott, Crocodile, Pignite, reverse is a Dewott, the rare is an Alomomola. Alright, the Zekrom pack. I think that's the best art out of all the packs. All the black and white packs, at least. Alright, Card Trick. I have Ducklet, Pidove, Joltik, Deerling, another Joltik, Whirlipede, Watchog, Snivy, the reverse is a Pokemon Communicator, and there's a Zebstrika. It's nothing good so far, no hollows or anything. I think I have a couple hollows left from black and white that I need, and the Pikachu secret rare. Hopefully I get one of those. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, so we have Darumaka, Snivy, Deerling, Joltik, Tepig, Duosis, Duosion, Zebstrika, Semisear, versus Scraggy, and there's a Sock. I don't think I have that Sock. Alright, so that's it for the black and white. So we'll do, let's do Heart Gold Soul Silver first. Okay, so we have a Cyndaquil, Sentret, Meryl, Whopper, Growlithe, Double Colorless Energy, Miltank, Pokeball, and oh, for Alligator Prime, way awesome, and the rare is a Pichu. So sweet. That's way cool. Cool. At least we got something good. Alright, on to the Platinum pack. The Giratina. Alright. Okay, so we have Wurple, Slackoth, Riolu, Squirtle, Tauros, Galactic HQ, Level Max, Looker's Investigation, the reverse is a Vigoroth, and the rare is a Bastiodon. Alright, last pack, we'll do the Stormfront. There's a bunch of cards I want from Stormfront. Alright. There's Starly, Magnemite, Pikachu, Mischievous, Ponyta, Conductive Quarry, Premier Ball, Shelgon, reverse is a Dusclops, and the rare is a Charmeleon reprint. This was on my wants list. Ooh, that's such a good looking card. So 2 really good cards. 2 ultra rares. I think that's the highlight, actually. Alright guys. So comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.